Hello and welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing well. So guys, in today's video we'll be making chin chin, Nigeria delicious chin chin. So in here, these are ingredients I'll be using for this Nigeria delicious chin chin. Yes, yeah, I have my flours. I have 4 eggs, guys. I'll be using 4 eggs for this chin chin. I have 1 cup of milk. I have margarine. I have sugar. I have baking powder and the margarine. Yes, and I'll be listing it down on my description box. Let's dive right into it. So guys, the first thing I'll be adding now is 4 eggs. I have 4 eggs for this chin chin. Yes, I'll be adding some sugar. Yes guys, after sugar I will add a pinch of salt before the baking powder and margarine. Yes guys, that is how I prepare my chin chin. And this chin chin, guys, just wait for it. Yes, now I'll be adding 1 spoon of baking powder. Yes, just 1 spoon. Yes, before the margarine. Guys, just half of this margarine, just half. Yes, make sure you turn it, let them combine together. Now I've added the flour. I've added flour. Make sure you turn it together. Yes, let them mix themselves together. Very soon I'll be using my hands, guys. Yes, so guys, thank you so much for watching. Where are you watching me from? If you are watching me from YouTube, you are highly welcome. If today is your very first time, please, my name is Nkechi Cynthia. Please do well to join this beautiful family. Yes, if you are watching me from YouTube, from Facebook, thank you so much. Please follow this page, follow this Nkechi Cynthia TV page for more interesting video. Yeah, thank you so much. If you are here to follow, please follow, and if you are here to subscribe, please subscribe and follow my channel. Thank you so much and keep watching. Yes, now let's enter the next step. Let's start cutting, guys. Making chin chin is not all that easy. Cutting the time you start cutting guys, cutting is not easy. You make sure you smaller portion. Yes guys, it's not all that easy. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please keep watching.
Imalotata imechi Ifugono tata mane makechi adi. Yesterday has passed away.
Yes guys, I'm done rolling. Now let's start cutting. This is how I cut it. Yes, into smaller portion, and my daughter is here helping me to pick them up. Yes, when I call, she will pick it here. Thank you so much for watching. Please keep watching. Yes, thank you.
Yesterday has passed away. Tomorrow you really don't know. No one knows tomorrow. Yesterday was the seed of today, and today is the seed of tomorrow. Chidime onye mechi ya ịmalụtata imechi ifugotata ịmakechi ya dị. Yesterday has passed away.
Now I'm done cutting, guys. This is the chin. Let's enter the next step. Yes, frying. This is the oil. This is my clean pot. Let's add some oil and leave to heat for some minutes before adding the chin. Yes, thank you so much, guys. Keep watching. Don't go anywhere. Thank you. So guys, if you're watching to this moment, thank you so much. I remain blessed. Thank you. Please give me thumbs up. If you're watching from YouTube, please give me thumbs up. Yes. And to my returning, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. Thank you. I really appreciate. Thank you. And if today is your very first time, you are highly welcome. My name is Nkechi Cynthia. I'm a Nigeria based in UK. Please do wait to join this beautiful family. You will like us here. Yes guys, and the chin, the outcome looks amazing. Yes, as you can see, the chin looks so yummy. Yeah. Yes guys, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. Thank you so much. And if you find it video interesting, please guys share, like. Yes, and guys, please always give a thumbs up. As a content creator, thumbs up is very important. When you give thumbs up and share the video, and YouTube will recommend the video to other people. Yes, it's very important. Thank you so much, guys. This is the outcome of this delicious chin and it tasted so yummy. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you on my next video. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye.